I'm at the AAP because I've been a periodontist for the last 27 years, and I'm a pretty strong advocate of organized dentistry and being part of something that's bigger than yourself.
We had the president who came and gave a word and thanked Straumann. That is a big thing for the AAP to recognize that Straumann has been instrumental in bringing a lot of innovation for us periodontists in our field.
So I think Straumann has a slew of solutions that you'll see at AAP over the last 3 days, which is really awesome. We have our 3D printer, which I think is the main focus of the show, which you can kind of see behind me today. We also have intraoral scanners, we have design software, we have mills, anything that you can think of production-wise for CAD/CAM and digital, we have it. And so I think it's exciting to see the power of Straumann not only in implantology, biomaterials, and aesthetic dentistry, but also digital dentistry.
So currently we are at the AAP Pearls and Pitfalls meeting. This meeting is designed to help the residents, help them understand what they face when they get out of school and get into the real world.
I hope to do some research on ceramic implants with Straumann at some point in the future. So the nice thing about Straumann is they actually have titanium and ceramic, and so you could do a long-term comparison study between the two.
Today we talked about innovation in bone regeneration and using the ring allograft to achieve that, and how can we be predictable in our operation of bone regeneration.
This is the culture of our company. Our culture is about patients, is about finding solutions to improve the quality of life of patients.
Straumann has been a leader in the industry. It's really nice to work with a company that's the top in the industry, that stands behind their products. The reps have been awesome, product has been awesome, support has been awesome. It's just top notch.